Why?
Copyright.
That's not copyright.
Yeah, it is.
Mm.
Okay, yeah, that's copyright. Making videos.
Then we discovered the water was 47 feet deep instead of 42 feet. It was clear that whoever was behind this did not, in fact, use the metric system as one would expect. Excuse me. Anyway, so, right, the incongruity in water pressure meant the only one who could have taken the gold was Dr. Cutler. Blah, 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 blah.
Look, I'm really sorry. I had no idea my plan was so boring. Sounded much more exciting on paper.